I hear one coming out of Greenwood up this way. He's waving at us and honking at us. Thank you. 276-5483. They're honking at us, guys. This is a half train, half auto rat train. Comes out of Hamlet. New crew going to Atlanta. Man, I got some friends out here, don't I? This is the highway bridge over 72 north of the Abbeville Depot. Bottom end coming up. I won't be able to see the EOT on it. Alright, thank y'all. Alright, bye-bye. We have the Abbeville switcher in Abbeville. He's sitting on the siding down there. I assume we got a train coming out of Greenwood maybe, and he's gonna meet it, but I don't know. I need to go check the signals out and see what's up. Alright, thank you. Alright, green over red, southbound. That's a clear signal on the track of line for the main line, And we had to have a switcher sitting down there. So we got a train coming out of Greenwood and he's waiting on us. So we're going to have a train meet in Abbeville. Alright, thank you. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Abbeville switcher. Alright, let's see if I can make it short real quick. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you see those lights on there? They're plugged in. Those are temporary lights. They're held on by magnets. The ditch lights. This is the Abbeville switcher. And so he could go track speed. They got temporary ditch lights they can mount on the bottom end of this locomotive. So when he's running backwards coming out of Elberton, he can go at track speed. Alright, thank you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is 5484. This is the Abbeville switcher. You notice he's got ditch lights on the long hood end. Those are temporary ditch lights. They're held on by magnets and they plug into the red box up there that goes to the umbilical between the locomotives. I guess he's just picking up battery power for the lights. But this allows him to go track speed backwards. If he didn't have the ditch lights on, he'd be down to like 10 or 15 miles an hour all the way from Elberton to Greenwood. But because he's got the ditch lights on there, he can go track speed. Alright, thank you. Alright, the Abbeville switcher's on the side. And we got a southbounder coming out of Greenwood. I don't know who he is. I heard him blowing the horn down there. He's coming on up through here. He had a clear signal, so he gets to go all the way through Abbeville. I don't know what we got. We got a coal train, I guess, coming. I don't know, he's only got one locomotive. Usually the coal train has two on the head end and one on the bottom end. This might be a ballast train or something. I don't know. He's got hopper cars on there. They're not covered hoppers. That was my mistake. But 5278. He's waiting at us. SCWS coal train, what are they doing? Pulling it backwards or something? I don't know. It's an empty one. SCWS. I guess because it's empty, they only need one engine on it, but this was a unit train, and usually they just turn it around and bring it back with all the engines and all the cars. Got plenty of pictures of tubbies on this train. Whoever it is gets to tag this one all the time. So that's tubbies. The white one's tubbies. Those are tubbies. He keeps writing his name on there and he puts those pictures up there. I can't read it. HSTER. Mr. Skin, he done paid two of them. This is a train that's going up to Pennsylvania to load up. They go up and hand it to the Norfolk Southern, the locomotives and the cars. The Norfolk Southern takes it up, loads it up, brings it back down to Tennessee and gives it to CSX. I've seen the train up in West Virginia head coming out of Pennsylvania one time. We were up there doing a dirt bike race. And I took videos, that's in one of my earlier videos. I Alright, he had a clear signal, so that said he can go 45 miles an hour to the next signal, but he's kind of going slow because he's going uphill and he doesn't have but one engine on this train. So they took the other two locomotives off. Alright, bottom end coming by. Blue EOT on there. There's the Abbeville switcher, y'all. Alright, thank you. Alright, he got a medium clear signal on the main line. He's fixing to roll north. He can't go over 35 miles an hour because that's a medium clear signal. So track speed is going to be 35, leaving off the side and going on the main line. Alright, when he rolls, I'll get more footage. Alright, I see him wiggling around up there. He's probably going to pull the throttle here in a little bit. Medium clear signal northbound on the side, and that's a red over green, 35 miles an hour. He just knocked the brakes off. He's fixing to roll. He's waving at it. Waves over his shoulder at us. He's got his back looking. He's facing the controls. These are all grainers coming out of Elberton. Or down below Elberton. Sound like got a lot of air leaking out back here. Alright, he's rolling to Greenwood. He's carrying those cars over there to Maxwell Yard. And then he'll pick up cars and bring them back over here. So he'll be back in probably an hour and a half or something like that. Alright. Gonna go through the switch onto the main line. And it looks like we got somebody down there, probably a switch maintainer or whatever. I don't know what he is. I can't tell from here. I might go down there and look, maybe get some pictures. I don't know. Alright, thank you. Alright, we got a signal maintainer just pulled in, but we got a train that just pulled in out of Atlanta. How you doing? I guess we're gonna have a train meet. I don't see anybody getting out tying it down to nothing. Manifest. Got 3140 on the leads, 789. We got a train coming out of Greenwood headed south, coming at us. He's going on the side. He can't go over 35 miles an hour because that's what he got coming in. So this is the Abbeville switcher, y'all. these cars coming up covered hoppers with plastic in them, the insulation for prisming. Alright, as soon as it clears up the switch down there, the AF dispatcher in Jacksonville, Florida will clear the signal up to allow this train behind me to come out. Alright, these are grainers going down there. They're loaded. Going down to the grain silo down below Elberton. Alright, blue EOT on the bottom end though. Looks like new cars and stuff, new trucks. 3140. A lead engine on the northbounder here. Alright, thank y'all. Alright, we just got a clear signal on the mainline signal down there, turning green over red, which is clear. He can do 45 miles an hour maximum speed out of this track, mainline to mainline. I'm going to step back and maybe get in the shade a little bit, I don't know. Oh well. ES44A8. Nobody waving. 3140. 789 here. ES44A8. Let me step over there and I'll catch him knocking the signal down, I bet. Alright, clear signal not down. 2015 on that car. Shiny rims on these cars. They must have come out of Tennessee up there. They say there's a hump yard up in Tennessee. Train meet in Abbeville is what we had. He's going on to Greenwood. They're fixing to go home. They get to Greenwood, they get off the train and go home to see their wife and their family and stuff. He's getting up to speed, 45 miles an hour on mainline speed. Truck is leaving. He waved at me a while ago. Look at these brand new UP double door plug door box cars. GATH double door plug door box cars, all loaded. Alright, they headed home to Greenwood. They've been at work all day, all morning. Alright, thank you.